What's up guys? Yes, the very first official teaser for the Galaxy S20 lineup has leaked. Yes, Samsung didn't release this video officially on their social media platforms, but Max Winback from XDA has found this and leaked it. So the video has seemingly confirmed that the unpacked event of the next generation Galaxy will be held on 11th February 2020. Also, alongside the date, it also confirmed a lot, and I mean a lot of features and things that we're gonna see in the Galaxy S20 series and Galaxy Fold 2. So the video teaser is getting started with both is in the word Galaxy is getting some shape. Now what shape it is getting, I'm gonna talk later, but while it is getting shape, just look at the smoothness of this animation. This smoothness seemingly confirms 120Hz display on the Galaxy S20 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra. We don't know this high refresh rate will be on the Galaxy Fold 2 as well, but I hope it will, since Samsung is using the UDG panel in the Fold 2, so it makes sense to use the higher refresh rate. Now moving on to the next hint, so the A's in the word Galaxy get its shape, and as we know, it is hinting the camera, the most powerful camera setup in Samsung's, my mistake, in smartphones history. Not Samsung smartphone, but in whole world smartphone history. This is going to be the most powerful camera setup according to iSuniverse, especially the Galaxy S20 Ultra, which packs a 108 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel periscope zoom camera, and could be a 64 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And as you have seen in this video, the 108 megapixel camera used in the S20 Ultra will not be same as of the Xiaomi's Mi Note 10. Samsung will be using the custom tailored version of their HMX sensor called as HM1. We have talked about this HM1 sensor in detail in this video, so do check that out if you want to. And the shape on the right hand side confirms the launch of the Fold 2. Yes, if you guys don't know, so on 11th of February, Samsung will also unveil their Galaxy Fold 2 clamshell foldable design phone. And as you have seen in this video, according to Korean media, this phone would not be called as Galaxy Fold 2 because there is another fold in the works, which is going to be the real successor of 2019's Galaxy Fold with that phone plus tablet design. But let's wait and see what Samsung called this phone. As of right now, this might be called as Galaxy Fold 2. And in case you don't know, so according to Korean media, this Galaxy Fold 2 will start selling at the very same day as of the launch, which means you can buy this clamshell foldable phone on 11th February after the launch event. So yeah, that's all right now. 11th February is confirmed to be the day of next generation Galaxy. Hope you enjoyed this video, so like this video and subscribe to the channel to know more about the S20 series and Fold 2. And yeah, see you in the next one.